Hi there, welcome to another PSG quick tutorial. I'm going to demonstrate here how to turn a simple PSD into a website. Now this is the example I've been given to do it with. Obviously there's not much here to make into a website. So first let's just actually change this and add a height of 120% on the canvas. Okay, then we're going to grab this, make a selection. Actually we'll just fill this in with, say, what you do normally as a menu bar. I'm not going to go through a whole menu because that's pointless. We'll just lower the opacity to make it a nice off colour. And then down at the bottom, as you can see, that's going to look terrible because I didn't quite line it up. We'll just grab that off the canvas. So that's where you put your home pages, but I haven't got multiple pages here, so it's pointless demonstrating that. Let's grab a Twitter icon down. Oh, God, that's huge. Should check the image size. Let's bring a Twitter icon down here, so we've now got a link to demonstrate with. And we'll blend that in a bit better. Okay, let's just add a hue saturation adjustment layer, or black and white will do actually. And we'll create a clipping mask to that. And then, of course, we'll just grab custom shape tool. Let's choose a grey. And we'll add an email. Okay, it's very basic. I know I wouldn't be doing a website like this at all, but this is just to demonstrate the techniques. Okay, and so what you want to do is just flatten the image. It just makes it a smaller size when you upload it, so just click flatten image. Then you want to come to, this is probably your crop tool normally, select slice tool, and you can actually just slice around here, and then slice around your Twitter, and let's just do one for the main photo. If you right click here, go to edit slice options, you get the URL, so let's call this Ford, so it's a bit more SEO friendly, and we'll go to the racing parts, copy their URL, go back into here, click paste, put underscore blank here. This will let it open up in a new window so you don't take users away from your website. Click OK. The reason I put email because it's a slightly different code. You can do email, and you type in mail to colon, and then let's just do info at psg.com. Don't know if that's a real one. You can leave that actually because it will just open up in Outlook. And edit this size options. Call it Twitter, so all your images got unique names. Colon slash slash twitter.com. And then this one, of course, blank. And you click save. And then you commit to file. You don't get to save as, you get to save for web. And it will give you a preview. PNG24 is good for images. And I won't do it in test site, I'll create a new folder. PSG. Okay, you want to call this index.html. It'll save its HTML automatically, so you don't want that. And you want to select HTML and images, and you just click save. See, that's exporting your site. Okay, so we go on to PSG. If you load that up, by double clicking it, you'll see you've got a website. Oh, I'm zoomed in way here. That's at 100%. That's your menu bar that was already created. There's your Twitter, opens up in a new window. And then if you click your email, that'll open up an email directly. You don't want to save changes. So let's just edit this slightly. If you've got any kind of text pad, notepad, I use Notepad++, it's just easier. Change the page title to Ford Racing. I don't want to get done for copyright, but this is the example given. And as you can see on here, it's all aligned left. No website's aligned left nowadays. So what you want to do is find the body tag here, copy it and go center, and then find the end body tag, /center, close it, file save. So now when you open it up, you'll see it starts to look a bit nicer. It's all centered, you still got all your links and everything in there. It's working fine. And you've got Ford Racing on there. Then what you need to do is, I recorded this video a few minutes ago, and unfortunately 00 web host was being DDoS at the time. So let's see, members area. I can't remember what info. And I think I've called it PSG test 1234. You can use this account all you like, because it's going to get deleted in a minute. Alpex submit. See, I created this domain earlier just to do the test. So what we want to do is go to the control panel. There we go, look. They're still being DDoS, so it may be a bit slow here. But this is the information we need. So you go to edit copy. Open up a FileZilla thing. And paste here. You'll see you've got a username here. So just copy and paste that over to here. Then put your password, which in this case is PSG test 1234, and port 21 is most FTP. This is FileZilla, free FTP program, so it's easy. You want to navigate to the public HTML. You want to delete everything. There's probably a test or a default PHP. You see, I was doing it before, but it got DDoS, so its site went down. Then you want to take your PSG folder, highlight them both, drag it into here, and it will just upload those images. And while you're waiting, you can click this link here. You'll see it brings up your site. It might not bring it all up because it's still uploading at the moment, but what we're interested here is the actual address here. So you want to go back here, right click, edit with Notepad++ if you have that, or any navigation of your choice. And where it's got image source, because it's no longer local, you just want to go in between these speech marks and just press Ctrl V, and that will give you your new URL. So then, because all your images are no longer hosted on your computer and it's not attached to the email, mail to is fine, that's a bit of code. So where it's got the source, that's usual just images, you need to tell your computer where it is. You click File Save. and close that 'cause it's done. Then you just go into your email, click paid, create a new email. For this case I'll just do what my email address is, and you can call it, subject can be e-card baby shower invitation, or whatever you want to call it. And when you get to context, you just want to go to attach file. You're going to go to your desktop or wherever you saved that folder, and you're going to go to, what do I call it, PSG, there we go. Select the index, but don't double click it. Instead of just clicking insert, click the little drop down arrow and select insert as text, and it will just take a while because it's going to communicate with 00 web hosts. As you can see, that's it done. So you just click send. Click send and receive, because luckily I've got it on the same. Oh, there we go, it's come in already. So now I need to go to my Who Would Hunt one, click inbox, open up the email. Now, I run several businesses that have PayPal, so I've got my security settings on really high, because trust me, I've been DDoS and hacked a lot on my game server. So you just click download pictures, and there you have basically your little mini website is in your email, so you can click that image, it will load up the link I put in. I can load up Twitter, and I can directly use it to email, or obviously in this case you just click reply back. But that's basically it, and I hope that's taught you the basics of a mini website in an email. Good luck to you.